And here we have baby Miah just after her little baby workout. Miah, say something to the camera. The folks want to hear your thoughts. They want to see your mouth too. Say hello, Miah. Say hello to the people. Say, I'd very much like to suck my thumb, but it's all caught in the sleeve, because the strip's a little bit too big. Oh. Oh. Oh, I really want the thumb. I really want the thumb. Here you go. And we have a cute happy baby. There you go. Well, now it would be hard for you to say hello to people. Your mouth has stopped up with the pacifier. But now you feel better.